Hi guys, welcome to Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing the Diploma Apparel Merchandising and Apply because this mode is open distance learning. Open distance learning means that you need not to go at the center for studying. You can do your preparation yourself, and if you have books, so you can take books. If you have not, you can take ebooks as well. So duration is 1 year, medium is in English, specialization apparel, merchandising applied. Description also is given here, and so list of centers for internship and the practical work with contact numbers. So these are some internship centers where you can do this, and eligibility is only 10 plus 2 or equivalent. If you are at 12th passed, you can do this course, and the fee structure is only for 4,000 rupees, and the program coordinator also given here. In this paper, there are total 5 papers. After completion of this course, you will get 40 credits, and regional centers are given here where you can apply for the course. Thank you so much for watching. If you have other queries related to this course, contact us anytime.